Welcome back, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe word down there, and that you got that bell right there turned up all the way up. If you enjoy hauls, unboxings, giveaways, reviews, how-tos, supporting as YouTubers, all of the above, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you stay in the loop and get every notification. I also go live every Tuesday and Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. And we have loads of fun there. We chit chat, play with makeup, try out skincare, anything and everything of the above. Sometimes just sit down and just talk. But in today's video, I wanted to go over with another beautiful palette for a peachy queen. Look at her. Is she gorgeous? Perfect season for the Sheer Skull palette. Absolutely love this palette. I already created this look right here with it. And do y'all want to see something fun about this palette? Like, it's magnet. So this comes off. It's very chic and little. So it's weirdly shaped, of course, but it's very friendly to travel with because it's thin and compact. Sorry, y'all, my eye keeps watering for some odd reason. But yeah, if you would like to see how I recreated this eye look, plus I did go in and use a different foundation today. I tried out the It Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation. And would you like to see how I think about it? And a couple more different items that I've had here and I have not tried to use yet. So please stay tuned. Yay! So you decided to stick around. So let's jump into this eye look real fast. First of all, let me go over the little new makeup items I am currently have on my face. Yeah, this is a full face of new products. I did go in with a Bye Bye foundation, full coverage moisturizer, oil-free matte, SPF 50. I like this. I did have to go in twice, but this is like the perfect shade for me. I got light, medium. And then on top of that, I just used a regular translucent powder that I already had. That's nothing to do there. Now, with my contouring, that is new. I used the YC Collecting. I think I received this in an Ipsy a while back, or maybe it's a friend mail. I'm not sure because I don't usually order single shades like this. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love the shade. Like, it's really cool toned, and it's absolutely gorgeous, especially for winter coming and fall and all that. You know, we all tend to get a little lighter, so I'm glad I got this. And then for blush and highlighter, I used the Baby Natasha Denona Blush and Glow palette. This is what she looks like. Look how pretty. And on my eyes, y'all, this palette is epic. This is another new release for a peachy queen. Look at the Sugar Skull. Ain't she gorgeous? And what I like about this palette, guys, I've never had a palette like this, but it's magnet. It has 4 little magnets. It just snaps right on. And then you pop her off, and that way you have your little pan. It's really lightweight and nice. Like, look at these shades. I really wish they would have put a little bit more thought in the shade colors, because you got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, light blue, silver. Like, they're just the original shade colors. But it's okay, because I love the aesthetic of the palette. I love the whole concept. I did go in with the gray and the black and the silver on my eye, and then I popped a little bit of blue on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get started over here. And I'm just using a fluffy brush. This is my 1520 E01 brush that I got from Moxie Add-ons. And I'm just blending that in. Kind of using this as my transition shade and my blending shade for the black. Y'all all know it is a little bit of kick up, not much at all. That don't really make or break me though. I like to build this up. It is a lighter shade, but I rather have a buildable shade than a in your face type deal. Now what I want to do is I kind of outline the black first as the wing, and then I smudge it upwards and bring it where I want it. That black shade right there, I'm just using a lighter brush. Now like right here on the edge, going up. This is why I love my shields. And I want to make sure I don't go too crazy. And I just put a little bit extra right there so I can smudge it out. And then I'm going to take, it's a dense packer brush. And I just moving the product towards my lid. Like so. This is how you get that smoky effect. Just like that. Now what I want to do is I want to go over that gray. A touch of black gray. So it's kind of like that. And I just add it little by little. I don't want to go too crazy with that black. You just kind of build it up like that to that side. I think that's pretty good. Then I'm going to take that gray again with a fluffy brush and just like blend them together and bring that black over into the whole aesthetic of the eye, but not too much. Like that. And look how gorgeous. Now, what I did with this one, this is my Farrah 3 Mini Tapered Blended Brush. It's very small. Very lightly dapped into the black and then the gray. And I start right here just so I can kind of see what's on the brush. And it is a black bristle brush, so I can't really see how much black's on there. And I just bring it into my... Bringing it in closer. This eye has been watered, guys. So let's hope she behaves until I get done. Now I'm using the Juvia's concealer that I love. I'm just cutting my crease. Just a tad. Ooh, I see the lights blink. We've had a storm here all day. Yeah, I like to pat it out right there. Because I'll go back in and kind of smoke that eye look out. Just like this. I like to have my eyeshadow at an angle instead of straight down. Where it looks like it's kind of blended in there a little bit better. I like the effortless blend. Now I'm going back in with a flat packer brush. It's right here. Digging into that silver. It's more like a white silver. And I'm just packing that on. Look at that shimmer. This is why I love Peachy Queen. Her shimmers are gorgeous. Like, do y'all see? Woo! Do y'all see that shimmer? Now for, of course, my Pop of Color. Y'all know I can't do it without my Pop of Color. Use that light blue with a dense packer brush. And just kind of buff that under my eye. Just like so. And I do want to take a little bit more gray, tad of black, gray. Kind of smoke that out a little bit more. There we go. I don't think my wings are technically the same, but it'll be alright. It will be alright. Then for my liner, I'm using the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Vita Sapphire. It's like this dark blue right there. I figured let's keep it up with the blue. Because you can incorporate any color in your eye. Even as a smoky eye, you can incorporate color. Like, there we go. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm loving it. Now, I don't have no new mascara or lip products right this second, so I'm just going to use my favorite mascara, of course. Oh, let me get my mirror. See why I love this mascara? Do y'all see why? You see yourself? This is like mascara? No mascara. But I didn't even have to prime my lids or curl my lids, my lashes. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Now, again, I don't have no lip products like I was saying, so let's see. Let's use what I haven't used in a while. I've got this Dose of Colors. It's like a pinky nude. I want to go with something light because of the dramatic eye. You know, you don't want to... You don't want to take away from the star of the show today. And that's going to be my eye. And I know most of y'all are like, why the hell did you put that line between your lips? It is supposedly supposed to make your lips look plumper. I'm not feeling this color. I'm not feeling this color. So let's... There we go. That's a little bit better. And this is the Sunset Boulevard from that brand right there that we had got from BoxyCharm a while ago. But yeah, let me know what you think. Oh, I forgot. There we go. I don't need a lot because these shimmers are popping, guys. Like, if you've never tried any Peachy Queen, I highly recommend it. Let me just show y'all a couple of the shades. Let's do a pink, a turquoise. Look at these. Two shimmers and two mattes. Look at that turquoise right there. That red is a shimmer, and then these two are mattes. They're very pigmented. Right there. Let me show you the yellow. Hold on. These are my pants. And they feel really soft. That yellow. I love a good yellow. Yay. So let me know what. Sorry, phone call. But yeah, please let me know down below in the comments how you like this look. How do you like the smoky eye on me? I know I don't do a lot of smoky eyes, but it is coming up winter. And you know, the cool tone darkness does come into play a little bit more. So please, yeah, just let me know how you like this. If you would like me to go a little darker or how be. And out of all the makeup that I played with today, I really like it all. As I said, I didn't have a full face of all new products, but the foundation is gorgeous. It's like a perfect match. I really do like the It Cosmetics foundation. I'm glad I got it on sale. So thank you, Stacy, for sending me the gift card. It got to good use for sure. So with that being said, if you like content like this or much more, unboxings, hauls, any and everything to do with beauty plus supporting each other, please make sure you subscribe. Love you.